We're off. Race number 2 slash advanced drivers. We got one big guy in there, one first time out with it. Your top qualifier, Trent Plumberg, jumped out with a nice clean start. And Travis Baldwin will move up into second. He'll have Sean Roper right behind him. Oh, and Travis hard into that inside pipe. Good Marshall will. Across the loop. There you go. The Warren across the loop. All drivers on the same lap. And check across the loop. And the blue truck out there with the black rear wheels and the chrome front wheels. That is your Trent Plumberg truck number 2. He's going to have second and third bearing right down on him now. They go down the hill. They're off the board down in the hole. And they're coming up on track to start what's got a 10-minute race, so can afford to be a little bit more patient. Trent gets by. And all three get by. And first, second, third, and right there together still. Oh, Trent with the bobble going down the hill. Travis going to be right behind you now. Don looking not far back. Travis Baldwin jumping high into that hill. And he jumps it outside, lands on 2 wheels. He's all over the back door of your top qualifier right now. Not able to make up a lot of room. Trent really fast coming out of that corner, heading on that straightaway. He makes up a lot of time. It looks like Travis a little faster in the center section. Travis seems to gain a little bit on him right here and going up the hill. The Watsons, they come out of the corner right here. They're 3 or 4 feet apart. And then all of a sudden, Trent hits another gear. And this lap here is not going to be the same though. Travis carries good speed around this section of the track. Sean getting by with Sean right there also. Your fastest on the last lap for your second place driver. 18.4 for Travis Baldwin. 19.4 for Trent. 18.9 for Sean. 24.4 for Warren. Race number 2 is on the track. Race 3. And race 3 ought to be the one to watch coming up next. 2-wheel drive modified buggy. That ought to be a good one. Trent with a little bit more breathing room now. Sean Roper trying to stay close in the number 3 spot. Trent with a 19.2 on that last lap. Oh, what a almost pass by Sean Roper. They're wheel to wheel. That is a good race for second. Right here in front of me, Travis and Sean, wheel to wheel. Travis hard into that hill, going around. Just trying to check out. In the meantime, what a race for second. 6:25 to go. And Warren, he's back there checking out the toughness of that truck. Dad's like, do this, do that. No, do that. No. See me that truck when you drive that thing. Dad can't wait to get his truck. Mr. Shepard, a long-time racer of years ago, back in the Herald days. And we're coming up here in about 40 seconds to the halfway mark. Right now, Sean Roca in second. Oh, wow, how did he get through that? Travis Baldwin squeezing through that track on the straightaway. In the meantime, Trent Plumberg, he is out and running. Pretty good size lead right now. You guys are going to be seeing us on YouTube. We got Brown Racing up here showing you guys. I'm not sure how he got his name Brown Racing now. That is the question. You don't have an answer for that. You do? You'll tell me later. Brown Racing, okay. Right now, we are past the halfway mark. Trent Plumberg, Travis Baldwin, John Roca, and Warren. New top 4, you're only 4. That's out there. This class here in the wintertime, one of the most, well, it is the most popular class of all. As far as entries, that is. The race for second continues as Trent just getting close to trying to put a lap on third now. He rolls it, that'll help him out a little bit. Sean Roca, the orange, the yellow, and purple truck in second. And Travis, that dark red and silver, trying to reel him in for second. Less than 4. In the back of second, kind of continuing as they're about 20 feet apart. And Travis didn't need that. The leader getting by good and go. Warren and we'll come up either way. John Roca trying to hold on, and that's about the third lap in a row. Travis coming off that hill, catching that pipe. I'm getting a big run off of that thing and see if he can stay off of this lap. Travis needs to bear down and get 2 or 3 good laps in without a wreck, keep this thing close. I'm not so sure if Travis hasn't got some problems. Well, maybe not. I thought I've seen that tire bounce around. He did a nice job on that lap. 3 minutes. And Trent Plumberg now trying to put a lap on third. Up next, modified buggy. Main event coming up next. 240 left to go in this one. And here's one of his rare wrecks. I'll tell you, I was getting ready to say Sean Roca has kept it close, but he piled it up there. And Trent still with the comfortable lead. And I guess if we're going to have anything to watch in this race, it's going to be Sean Roca and Travis Baldwin still. Travis did get several laps there together without crashing, so he's got it within a couple of corners away from Sean. Your leader's going to tangle up a little bit to help out Sean. And it's still close enough that Sean can make a move. So that's top spot. 1:45 to go. Don't forget Saturday, we'll be changing up the track some, running at the outdoor track. Saturday. The race will start at 2 o'clock. And some of you guys will see you tomorrow for practice. So 1:30 left. Truck 2, still leading the way. With 1:05 to go, a minute to go at the tone. Trent Plumberg, half a lap up on the field. Less than a minute left in this one. Matt, the clock is expired.